udstillingsrummet, at I kan være i så skønne rammer her, hvor er det dejligt. Og tak for invitationen, Anne, til at udarbejde mine tekster til dine billeder. Jeg synes, det var en fantastisk proces. Meget spændende at arbejde med billeder, som så står over for ordene. Og i dag der er det jo endnu mere spændende, fordi nu er det første gang, at de optræder i samme rum. Så vi er meget spændt på det begge to, og vi er rigtig glade for jer til ligesom at bevidne den her sammensmeltning af ord og billeder. The glowing dark. The dark is waving at me. Hello, is anyone home? When you empty out the sky, you still have all the cuts. My night shook when I read that news. Who died in that storm? We were broken already. 10 meters apart, I felt the rift in your territory. When you look at me, I scuttle like a rat. The moon sometimes makes me want another piece of Xanax. I start them small, nibbling quarters, little rabbits. All day on my couch, I long to be famous. When I'm a hero, I'll never rest. I'll be too bothered by my real history. When I hear water bells, I stand still with the universe. Finally, I break. I'm completely equipped and I also drown. When I was younger, I felt exactly the same way. Thank God for the stability. In reality, my anchor is a bushy trail of electrocuted feminism, young as a housewife, tender as the suicide of Sylvia Plath. Who is the Immaculata? The incubator who sits on her egg with nightly, lizardly eye movements. Once I walked my body off a dream club and kept walking into the glowing morning. Så har vi nummer 2 digt, som jeg vil læse foran det her stribe. When I finally get rich, now that I have money, you'd think that I could kiss myself for a long, slow time. But I'm more unrobed than ever. You can find beauty and sex in everyone, but nothing like trustworthy enunciations or conversations with the chatbot, whose emotional support grows the more you feed it. I always say thank you now. So does my friend with newly diagnosed Parkinson's. But I'm squeezed into a red labyrinth of blood, such a tightness that I don't know where's the space for the air. I dreamt my cancer came back, swiveling into the black cave paintings that my friend makes. With every mutilation of my body, I woke up more and more and more. I would like to get back to my walk into the gardens of rich American wives in England who spent their days telling their smart gardeners what to do, with all the dark matter of time coiled neatly into their wicker baskets, little snakes. Så har vi en sidste, så jeg tror, vi skal hen til nogle bølger.